everyone, it's Janice and I'm here to show you my latest Alice in Wonderland junk journal. It is a very chunky book. I did try to not make it so chunky, but that didn't happen. So it has an image of Alice and the Cheshire Cat, and that has been sewn to lace and some lace appliques on both corners. The spine of the book has chiffon and organza ivory flowers, and the back of the book has the same lace that is across the front of the book. The closure is ivory seam binding. So we'll open the book and show you inside. The first page is one of ARTYmaze's images. She kindly sent me that one, and she has an amazing store on Etsy, so thank you for that. The pocket has two tags with "The story begins" and "This book belongs to," and the famous tea party image is there. There are lots of journaling pages throughout this book. It has 2 signatures and I think it's about 70 pages front and back. This is an envelope I made matching the one on the front cover, and inside this envelope is some note cards, with one of my cut out arrows. Some of the images are not from ARTYmaze. They are ones I've collected over the years from various Etsy sellers. Envelope, and inside there is a little note card. The back of the envelope has a little tag and a little spot for you to put some little notes in. A vintage page with a cutout of the Mad Hatter's hat, and these vintage music papers are books that I do collect. I printed an image on that one. Beautiful graphics from ARTYmaze. Another arrow cutout. Lots of journaling spots. This page I made out of this lace belly band, and you can put little items in there yourself. This is another greeting card image from my Etsy store, and I just made that into a flip out. This is the centre of the first signature, and it has some little charms, a lace pocket, and some little tags with some eyelash trim. Little snippet on a flip out there. I enjoy making those. This one has a little spout and a large tag there. Lace belly band with a note card. Doily vintage music paper. This pocket has been made like all my pockets. I use original pages from Alice in Wonderland books I collect, and this time I just made a matching tag to go in that pocket. Little flip out there with some little tags. Another little flip out snippet added there. Another flip out with one of the Alice in Wonderland images. This is the back of that envelope, and inside that is a larger postcard of the same image. Well, that was the end of that signature. This starts the other one. This one's a lace belly band, and it has a tag with some lace on it. A lot of these laces I've collected over the years. Another pocket with some little tags. More journaling pages. All the pages are coffee or tea dyed. Some are darker than others. Belly band with a matching little file folder with a little note card inside. Some stenciling. This one's an envelope where you open it up and you have lots of journaling space there. Little handmade seam binding flower. This is the middle of the signature, and it has some Alice in Wonderland little charms there and some tags. More journaling pages. This pocket has a little note cards in it. Another little pocket, and this one has some tags. Little note card. Envelope with an arrow cut out. Another little lace flower. This one has that little note card. There's a little pocket at the back where you can add things, and I've just put a tag in there. A little cutout here. Some stenciling on some of the pages. This one is another one of my greeting cards, and I just made a little note, flip out, something for journaling. And this one's a little flip out there as well. This is the back of the book, and all the Alice journals I make, the back of the book has the large key, and that one's got a little pocket at the back which you can put little notes in, the same as in the front. This one has the original Tea Party image, and it also has been cut from one of the books that I collect. So that's the last page in the book. I hope you've enjoyed going through that with me, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.